Hey guys, today in the garage we have this little Yamaha PW50. It'll be going to our 2-year-old daughter next year for her 3rd birthday, and it's only fair. We got this little Honda XR50 for our oldest child for her 3rd birthday, so the middle child's wanting a pink bike too, so this bike's a newer bike. Got a pretty sweet deal on it though, but it's a little beat up, bent forks and some little rust here and there. Hasn't been taken care of as nice as it should have been, so we're gonna strip it down, clean it up, swap out the plastic for some new pink ones, new graphics, do a little touch-up painting here and there, and make it look fresh again. Aside from the bent forks, this thing looks almost new again. Anyways, on with the tear down, get the plastic swapped out for some pink ones, clean up when needs to be cleaned up, and get this thing ready to put away until our daughter's birthday next year. Hey guys, so we're back in the garage today with the PW50 up on the bench, all ready for the tear down. I have our youngest child up in the garage here because I'm sure he'll be excited about bikes just as much as we are someday soon, and why not learn now? So anyways, I'm gonna start tear down, get it spread out in pieces across the workbench, and finish up the cleanup that needs to be done, painting, and reassembly with the new pink plastics and new graphics. So this here is about the point in every build where I really questions with myself, what the hell am I doing and why am I tearing the bike down this far? Didn't really plan for this, but this is where it ended up, and you know, can't stop here. This far, you might as well tear it right down and go for a completely fresh bike. Well, the easy part's done. If you want to see what the bike looks like when it's all finished, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Stay tuned for an upcoming video of the final product.